Okay, so I just uploaded the other day the video about various software problems in our days, and today I see this on YouTube. You know that there were those buttons that appeared instantly when you hovered over the videos with add to watch later, save to playlist, that kind of stuff. Now you have to pause with the mouse for 2 seconds, then a full preview opens. There's no sound, but you can seek, and only then you can what? So I understand. It's no, I don't understand. It's who comes up with things like these? I don't know. Honestly, I sometimes feel like they are doing these uh, monthly meetings, and they actually genuinely look for the worst possible solution. I can't explain it in any other way. It's again, I don't have words. In what alternate universe is this a good solution? To add a delay, like you have to sit for 2 seconds for each clip in order to put it on watch later. And if you somehow move away by mistake, you have to wait another 2 seconds. I don't know. I don't understand anymore. The more and more I live, the less I understand of what's going on around me. Tell me if you understand. I don't. See you guys next time.